everyone! Thank you for watching this video. This is Sheva from Bear Mix Bujo over at Instagram. So for today, I just have a mini process video or tutorial on how I put together this mini cluster tags. So I basically have a lot of these items on hand, like the different elements that I put together. I have all of these in hand, so I thought of putting them all together in a mini cluster tag. I also saw Liz, the paper project, do this project, so I was very much inspired by her when I put this together. So the base for this tag is of course the mini tags, and I use the die cuts to make them, and I also use die cuts to make these mini doilies. So I didn't show how I made them anymore because I usually do a mass make of these die cuts. So I have a day wherein I just make a bunch of die cuts, and I have all of these on hand when I want to use them. So how I put this together is just basically, putting together all of the putting all of the elements together. So each tag has of course the base tag, the doily, and then a stamp. I just base the stamp also on the color of the mini tag. So I just make sure that they go together, and I just glue them all together. So what I'm doing here is I'm gluing the doily, the mini doily first, and then afterwards I will layer the stamp over it. So here I'm just squeezing the tube of glue because it didn't want to come out. So I just glue all of them together. I don't put all of the glue in the doily because I want it to hang a little bit over the tag so that there's a little bit of interest there. So I layer them up like this, and then I add a mini ticket, a bus ticket. The ones that I use here are not vintage, they are new tickets, and then I just distress them using the Tim Holtz distress ink. And then the last layer for this cluster tag would be this lace. So this lace I already tea-dyed it, so it's basically a white lace, and then I tea-dye it. I also do that in mass make sessions. So now what I'm doing is I'm just punching mini holes so that I can put them together in a ball pin. So that's what I'm using here. So basically you just put the lace first, and then the ticket, and then the cluster tag. And then to add a little bit more bling, I'm just adding glass beads. So I have those gold ones, and then I'm also adding a button as an added dangle to it. So I'm just putting them all in the ball pin, and that's it. That's basically the mini cluster tag and how I put it together. So it's basically putting all of the elements together. The main work here is just the mass makes, because I usually just have all of these items at hand for when I want to use them and I want to put together something. So that's my process video for these mini cluster tags. I hope you enjoy them. Thanks for watching.